Torango karindi uguteneria au kabere rais wa nthiguru ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto na tongeretia Kenya kiri gukungwira miaka 60 na jumwe ya uchiathi mambura jaraja ijikene ta madaraka na mambura ja mwaka juju jakarikirite kaunti ya Bungoma kenine ke Masinde Muliro ni ari akari rais Ruto ataririte umbani bwa Kenya kiri mantu mwanya mwanya na kinya umbani bwayo kwa miaka ira ithiritwe gichiatha tongere mwanya mwanya bari munini wawe ndi bwo kari mamburene jaja
mambura ma 61 ma madaraka ma mwaka uju marithithika kenini kia Masinde Muliro kaunti ya Bungoma na kwithira matongeretwe ni Rais William Ruto. Kili balabala linakanyaga kwariria Kenya kili mambura mama wa mbele alali governor wa Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka akiaria nakathite Rais William Ruto nontu bako gwatambaru thirikari jamatura Lusaka kianagira ati nibendekithitie kieni kia ndege tauni ya Bungoma kunenkero rietwa ria Rais William Ruto.
Mr. President, on behalf of the developed units, I want to thank you and commend you for your continued support for devolution and especially devolving these national celebrations to counties, for this strengthens your presidential resolve to support counties and the devolution agenda in your national endeavors. Our airstrip at Matulo can now safely land a 35-seater plane, but it's our wish and focus that in the future it be upgraded to an international airport. And Your Excellency, when it's at that level, we want to propose on behalf of the people of Bungoma that it be named after you.
Wajiri kwariria Kenya kiri mambura mama alale munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua nawe akiari na inyiriti bakathi na mbere gukiria miturire ya Kenya gwitukira gukiria uchumi.
You are the vision carrier of our administration, and those of us you have given the privilege to serve under you remain committed and focused to assist you in the transformation of our great republic so that the people of Kenya have better lives and the improvement of our economic fortunes.
Rais William Ruto na wakiari na nyiriti Mount Kathumba ilo mibango ile mekire kire gukiria urimi bulanebu bulatongerete mambura maumde amwe konenkanira mawera nenkurani kira karimantere ino.
Madaraka Day celebrates the birth of a nation out of the totality of the labors of millions of its people. Our agriculture sector continues to fire the powerful engine of economic transformation to propel this great nation into a food secure, internationally competitive trading giant that can hold its own in the East African community and leverage other trading frameworks such as the COMESA, Africa Growth and Opportunities Act, the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, with ease. Agriculture remains sufficiently attractive enough to sustain investment in every node of the food system. And going into the future, I want to promise the people of Kenya that we will not let you down. We will never go back to the politics of ethnicity. We will never go back to the politics of personalities. We will never go back to the politics that people are not in the center. I want to assure you that we will work hard to make sure that our politics is focused on an agenda of developing Kenya.
Amonogu okagitaka Rais William Ruto ni alugurite mubango wa gutetheria wendia bwa into bila bikuma migundani kenda gukiria urimi mubango leo kuthura ni mwana 2020 kuma kaunti 47 kuma muji munene Nairobi Mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kathinya.